I'm really excited. This video is actually kind of an extension of a video that I did a while ago that is regarding filtering strong conformations from Lux, okay? So the strong conformations are really good from Lux, and you just gotta be able to filter them with the right tools. Because people get this tool, and like I said in the last video that was about this, you know, people get the tool and then they say, I back tested it for 20 minutes and it doesn't work. Yeah, well, so guess what? If that's your style of back testing, you need a trading strategy, first of all. But then, you know, if you don't have a trading strategy, there are lots out there. Pick something that resonates with you. I encourage you to go to babypips.com because you can find out what strategy you like there for free. You don't have to spend thousands of dollars on courses. Just don't do that. Don't spend a bunch of money on courses. I've lost way too much money on courses. Don't do it. So because the information's free, just take it. But once you have a strategy, you want to use Lux Algo with your strategy, okay? So you're going to be filtering out confirmations. Doesn't matter what algorithm you get. You're going to be filtering out these confirmations with your own technical analysis, plain and simple. So do it, but make sure that you're filtering them out. In that video, I used one indicator to filter out on a 75-minute chart. I can't remember, Canadian Swiss franc or something like that. Maybe it was Australian, Canadian, I don't remember. Doesn't matter. Today, Australian, Japanese yen on the 75-minute chart. I don't even know what day it is. Yeah, May 7th, duh. Let's go back in time. Let's go back in time to, well, that's way too obvious. Let's find some consolidation here and work in some consolidation. Here's some consolidation. We'll start the replay just before this consolidation, so we can see how it works within consolidation and how I build how I identify consolidation. I've got a video about that as well. Go check it out. If you're not familiar with my strategy, go to my website. I'm going to put it right here. Once you have a good understanding of the strategy and how it works, this video is going to come way easier for you. I'm going to still go through it, but it's going to be fairly fast. So if you want to catch on, I encourage you to go check out the website. The trading strategy and how I use indicators is right there. We've got the WAE with some modifications. One of our developers has been really, really good, and he has made a modification to the WAE. First of all, the zero line is in the middle, so it's not an absolute indicator. It is now true. And so the zero line, if it's above, it's bullish. If it's below, it's bearish. And what he's done is that when there's a breakout, he's colored the background so you can actually see a breakout for what it is instead of having to look really hard and be like, is that a breakout or not? Maybe I got to check the numbers, do the math. No, don't have to do that. If it's colored, it was a breakout. So here we are. We're on a replay. We're going to go ahead and move forward. Can I do that? There we go. Yeah. Okay, so we're waiting for a confirmation from Lux. I started replay over here. So yeah, we're just going to wait until we actually see a new confirmation from Lux going up. Right here. Nope, because we are still in a bearish volume breakout, oscillators down. So that's not it. Got a sell confirmation now, but right there, that breakout, the volume breakout is old. See how it's colored like that for a few bars? That's because it's an active breakout. But once that breakout is done, it's expired, the color goes away. Kind of cool, isn't it? That's why I get so excited, because that makes it easy for us to tell whether or not that's an entry. Strong confirmation from Lux. We've got the breakout. We're above the lines. We've got the oscillator on our side. Let's go ahead. I think this is going to lose though, because I remember I clicked right before consolidation. So we go and we grab 159 times 1.5. It's 239. Let's just check out here. This is kind of consolidation in here, isn't it? No, we're okay. That's not consolidation. So what did I say, 239? On the top side, that gives us 458? Almost. What did I do wrong? 468. 2.0. That's what we're after. So we go advance this, a little bit of drawdown here. A little bit of drawdown. Almost took out. Probably would have. Yeah, there we go. So for sure we got lost there. And we've actually got going downwards, but see, this is the thing, right? We're already in consolidation here. Yeah, see, that's the thing, right? So we have the high, we've got the low, we've got a new low here that did not beat it out. So this is consolidation already. So my box gets drawn from the highs to the lows, and we wait for it to close outside of that. That's close, but it didn't close. It came down, but it didn't close outside of that range. I probably should have cherry picked a little bit better than this, maybe. I don't want this video to be boring. I'm 6 minutes in and I haven't even showed you guys a trade yet. We're still inside consolidation box. Great, thank you very much. Strong confirmation, but that's not good enough. Still inside this consolidation box. Come on, come on. Oh, did we break out there? We broke out. Yay, we broke out. But then the next bar here, we cross above and we've got everything going for us. Oscillators flipped, got the volume breakout. But see, this bar is really big. My rule is that I do not trade if the bar, true range of the bar, is greater 2.5 times my ATR. So my ATR is 142. I've got a high and a low of more than 500. So that's way too much. Way too many pips on that candle for me to take a trade. I might have missed an opportunity here. Yeah, it does look like it, but that's fine because I would rather write this down. It's better to be outside of the market, wishing you were in, than inside the market, wishing you were out. Here we have it coming down. We've crossed the EMA, but this is just a sell signal. It's not strong, so we're not going to take that. Oh, look at that. I think I missed. That would have been nice to take, but I don't have the strong confirmation, so I'm not going to take it. There's no, still no. There's a strong confirmation. Count how many from the last high. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Oscillator, but we don't have the volume breakout. Oh, the volume breakout's expired. Maybe that's okay that we didn't take it. Went into drawdown. Tiny consolidation, but you know what? I'm not too concerned about that, I don't think. Let's take it. Let's take a trade. Tiny consolidation, but it's tough. Like, it's not really distinctive highs and lows. It's just a little bit, so I'd be okay with that. 172. I might lose this one. 1.5. I'm 8 minutes in. Hopefully we actually have something good. Otherwise, I'm going to say, oh, I probably should have cherry picked it a little bit better. No, don't. It's not worth it. I don't like that. So 476. Yep. And in some drawdown here. Wow, there we go. So I would have taken profit. My first trade would have took profit, and then I would have had a trailing stop take the rest of it. But there we have a 2.13 because of the way that I do it. If you want to learn how I do this, you can go to my website so you can see how I do the money management. But that is a 2.13. That makes it a 3.13 times 1.5%. That gives me the 4 and 6, or say 4.6% win. 4.6%. What? Yeah, that's right. 4.6% win. And we move forward. Oh, we actually have another breakout. This is still an active breakout from back over here. Yes. Yes, sirree. So you could have compounded that trade even. But we've got it now. So we've got the breakout, oscillators on our side. Let's go ahead on that one right there. 177 times 1.5 is 266. And on the top side, that gives us 432. Nope. 332. 532. There we go. Math is not an exact science. Okay, here we go. We're in. A little bit of drawdown. Early exit, folks. Early exit. We've got too many indicators telling us that this is going up. So we just go ahead and say no. Yep, there's my stop loss. What happens next here? That's a sell. Say strong. Strong. Lux is flipped. We've got the new breakout. So we lost a little bit on that one. Let's go see how much do we lose on this early. So 222 divided by 266. That is a 0.83 times 2. So that's a 1.67. .67% loss. Okay, but now we got the new strong here with the volume breakout, brand new oscillator. Tried to go for the continuation. Let's set this up here. 136 times 1.5 for the ATR times 1.5. So 204 on the top end. We go to 408. Boom. That's great. Is this a 204? Is that? Yep, so that would have had my trailing stop again. Beautiful. 3.1. That's a 4.1 on the profit scale. 4.1 or 4.01? 4.1 times 1.5. That is a 6.15% trade. 6.15%. See how we're filtering these strong confirmations? Now we're 12 minutes in. Now we got some action going on here. You could start again if you wanted, because you know, or you might have a different exit strategy to catch more of this. Mine wouldn't have given me an alert on this kind of thing, so I would have missed the rest of that pulse. But that's okay. I'm all right with that. Oh wait, we've got another push. This one here is the breakout. It's a little risky, but we follow the rules. This could be a continuation trade. 197 times 1.5 is 296. On the top side, I'm just going to drag it. And away we go. Yeah, pretty good so far. Take profit. And then trailing stop again. So that's a 2.3. That gives us 3.3. Again, if you're not sure how I do that math, I'd encourage you to go and check out my website. Subscribe if you want to learn more. We're just about done here. What did it say? 4.9. Yeah, 4.95. That's a good few days of trading. 4.95%. Beauty. All right. We could go on. 14 minutes. I wanted to make sure that I stayed under 15 minutes. So now there's another opportunity possibly. I don't know if I'd take that or not. That's a lot of continuations. Yeah, so that one probably reversed. Yeah. But anyway, so there we go. That is an example of how I will more effectively filter out these strong confirmations from Lux. Now, my trading strategy is a little bit more advanced. I don't always adhere to the strong confirmation. I don't always wait for the strong confirmations. I've got some other indicators, or rather other alerts based off of these indicators that I set up to help me catch the trends a little bit faster. I was waiting for the strongs, but I've got some other things that I'm playing around with. So I'm going to put a link in the description. Use that link. Book my time. Let's get these indicators set up on your chart. Subscribe. It's really important that you subscribe because I got some more updates coming out that are really exciting. And I look forward to hearing all the great stories about how this is helping you.